You got to say something about this.
What are we doing?
We're having lunch at Crafty's
And
at
you have
like
to,
almost 2:30 in the afternoon.
hey, you have to tell them what we're getting.
So we got a really late start today. Actually, I woke up early, but I did not feel well, so I kind of hung around. We had a late lunch, took some pictures of our food, posted about it on Instagram if you want to go check that out. It's a local food hall kind of place where you can have different kinds of food from different kitchens, and everything was delicious. I brought some chicken Alfredo home for my daughter. She just inhaled it, so she enjoyed that too. Finally opened my jam for today, and we have a peach mint spread. Looking forward to trying that out. We have so many to try. I think we'll still be working on these probably through January, but I think I might make some of my frozen biscuits. I think I still have some in the freezer from the It's Always Freezer Season book. I'll link that up there. So that'll be easy for breakfast tomorrow. And for the rest of the day, we're just cleaning up and getting ready for the week. I have a lot of wrapping to do, so I'm going to be doing that here soon. I just sent the boys out to get their hair cut, and I got to make an appointment to get mine cut too. It's really pretty shaggy. Anyway, we're probably just going to do leftovers for dinner, but if I do anything interesting, I'll show you. For day 18 of Vlogmas, which is day 17 of our Scotch calendar, we have a 13-year-old single grain Highland Scotch from Invergordon, which we've had before, I think just a few days ago, but it might have been a week. It's not on this page, so whatever. It was in first fill 4 grain barrels. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I looked it up, but it seems to be a bourbon or a type of bourbon or some that they 4 grain bourbon. I don't know if that's what that means, but I didn't find any other references to it in a quick search, so we'll see. It is 43% ABV, and we should taste fresh apple, caramel popcorn, and sweet spice. So we're on our next to last row. Christmas is coming up very quickly. It's another light one. Okay, so this is it is a Highland Scotch, and it is north of Inverness, but still on sort of the east side of the country. Well, it smells really good. Yeah, it smells a little bit like apple. I'm not sure I'm getting popcorn, but you know, that's not necessarily in the nose, but in the flavor. I do get caramelly, buttery, so caramelly popcorn. I like this one. I like this one a lot. not much spice, sweet spice, so maybe cinnamon, but not really getting that, but I do get the caramel and the apple. So hope you've enjoyed Vlogmas day 18. Had a pretty low-key day. So come back and see what we do tomorrow. You can hit the subscribe button and we'll let you know what we get up to for Vlogmas day 19.